For the smaller children and also for the larger children, I tell a small story which I tell my daughter. Most of you will have the habit of procrastination. What does it mean by the term procrastination? We try to postpone. Yeah, we try. The main simpler form is postponing the thing. Understand? So is it a good habit? No. There was one child. He never does the homework daily. He never reads the subjects taught in the school daily. His mother keeps on telling, do it, and he never follows. One day his birthday was arriving in a week. So he wanted to celebrate it over 1 week. So he was asking, Mother, I want kesari today. Okay, I will do. She promised in the morning. In the evening when she came again, the mother didn't do. Why you didn't do today? Okay, I will do tomorrow, she told. It happened repeated every day for 7 days. The 7th day during her birthday, or what she did? She cooked a delicious kesari of 7 days amount. Whole 7 bowls. One day அவன் சாப்பிடக்கூடிய சாப்பாடை விட 7 நாள் சாப்பிடக்கூடிய கேசரியை she placed in front of the child and asked the child to eat. Initially the child felt that I am having so much of kesari, the food which she liked. So she started eating. How much would she be able to eat? 1, at the most 2. Some foodies can eat 3. Can you eat 7? No. So what are you doing? This is the thing which you like the most. That itself you cannot carry the 7-day load. How are you going to carry your studies load for 1 week or for your 15 days or 1 month? It is totally impossible to a child. Understand? So that the child understood, and from the next day onward, the child started reading everything, every course, your academic work, and also whatever is to be done, the child started doing immediately, and it is not procrastination.